I'm making 24 ham and cheese rolls. So I have 2 packs of King's Hawaiian rolls. For the sauce, I have Worcestershire, minced onion, Dijon mustard, pepper, salt, and unsalted butter. Optional, you can add poppy seed as well, but I'm omitting that. I have 2 different kinds of ham, so I have smoked and honey. And then I decided as well to do 2 types of cheese. So I'm doing cheddar and Swiss. So gather up your ingredients. All right, so you're gonna go ahead and cut the top buns off. So I'm using a bread knife here. All right, so go ahead and separate that. First thing, I'm gonna go ahead and put down the layer of ham. So again, it's up to you how thick you want all this. I'm probably gonna do a couple layers here. Make it a pretty hearty sandwich here. Just a thin layer of ham on top there. All right, set aside. I'm gonna prepare my second batch and then we'll get to the topping. I'm gonna go ahead and melt the butter to make the sauce. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of the onion, 1 tablespoon of the Dijon mustard. And this is all going in with the melted butter. 1/4 teaspoon of salt and pepper. 2 teaspoons of Worcester. All right, so now we're gonna spoon the mixture over our sandwiches. You can use a brush or you can use a spoon. And then we're gonna cover these, bake them in the oven at 350 for about 20 minutes, and then the last 5 minutes uncovered. And that way the buns don't dry out. You can also add the mixture and refrigerate these for at least an hour or overnight. So nice for pre-baking when you have a lot of stuff going on. All right, sandwiches are prepped and ready. I'm gonna go ahead and cover these, leave them in the fridge for a couple hours until our party.